Hello students, in this video lesson we are going to learn a program which is related to day-to-day life. If we go to ATM machine, it allows to transact the user if the 4-digit PIN entered by the user is correct. If PIN entered by the user is wrong, it prints invalid PIN and allows 2 more chances. If user enters wrong PIN even third time, it locks the account for further 24 hours. Now, here is the question. Create a Java program to initialize P as 1234 and accept PIN from the user. If the PIN entered by the user is matching with P, then print welcome. Otherwise, print invalid PIN for next 2 wrong entry of the PIN. Even if third time also invalid PIN is entered, it should print your account is locked for further 24 hours. So let us open BlueJ and create a program to take the input from the user. I am importing java.util.scanner. Then I create a class called ATM underscore pin. So I write main method. I declare and initialize int p is equal to 1234, and then to take the input from the user I give pin, and then I need to count how many times the user uses. So for that, initially count variable is 0. Now I create a scanner class object. SE is the object name. So I will have here while loop which will have count as lesser than 3. As the count is initially 0, count is lesser than 3 is enough. So 3 times it will run now. Now I will say count plus plus before taking the input from the user, so that count becomes 1 when the user gives the input. So I prompt the user to give the input. System.out.print, and I also mention the count. So I can have here count as the variable it counts, plus then one dot, and then enter the 4-digit PIN I say. Now I will take input from the user. PIN is equal to object name is SC there. SC dot next int of, then I am checking whether the PIN is 1234 or not. So that is P, right? So if P is equal to PIN, or PIN is equal to P, both are same, then what I will do now, I will say welcome. System.out.print of, I say welcome, and then once the PIN is right within the 3 times, I don't need to further move, so I give break here. Else if the PIN is wrong, and then it will ask for the next attempt, it will say invalid PIN. So system.out.print of, I say here invalid PIN. So when 3 times get over, automatically it comes out of the loop, and then I will check whether the count is 3 or not. If the count is 3, then I can say your account is locked for 24 hours. So I am giving here, so that is after the while loop, right? So out of the while loop I am coming. If count is equal to 3, so that is within the bracket. I say system dot out dot println of your account is locked for further 24 hours. So I should terminate that. So let us compile this. No syntax error. I will execute and show the output. Right click on this. Void main of string of arguments. Okay. So enter the 4-digit pin. It says I give here 1 2 3 4, which is correct. So it says welcome. Then in case it is wrong, let us try. Close this. Right click. Then I give now wrong input. For example, simply. So it is wrong pin. So second time count is been asked. Here I give. So again third time it is asking. So after third time it says your account is locked for further 24 hours. Thank you students. Keep watching my videos and learn more.